Okay, good morning everyone. So this is our course of grade 7. So after logging in our website lms.sanagustin.nh.net, you will go here in our course. If you are enrolled in this particular course, I want you to familiarize the interface of the course. So here at the uppermost portion, we have here the announcement. Next to that, we have here the module. So module 1 is intended for week 1, while module 2 is intended for week 2, module 3 is intended for week 3, and so on and so forth. Now, first step, when you access our course, first thing you will have to do is click on announcement and read the announcement. Here I have your instruction. All you have to do here is read the instruction. Okay? Because from time to time, if I have some announcement to make, I'll just have to put it here, those announcements in this link, announcements. You must read that one or click this one from time to time. Okay, it's very important. Okay, next, in week 1, you have to do is you'll have to do all the content of module 1. So here first, we have your self-introduction link. So all you have to do in the self-introduction link in this particular forum is you're going to tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about your, not just me, but as well as your classmates in this course. You'll have to do is add a comment or add a discussion here in this particular forum and tell me something about yourself. Tell us something about yourself as well as your expectation in this particular course. Next, proceed this. We have here a forum, which is questions and clarifications. Now this one, if you have clarifications or questions with regards to the topic here presented in module 1, all you have to do is comment down here or add a discussion topic here and tell me what is your question so that I could address those one. Okay, now the real deal is here. Now we have here a learning activity sheet number 1, learning activity sheet number 2, and so on and so forth. Now below the learning activity sheets, we have here a submission link of your answers of the learning activity sheets. Okay, now first you have to click that one and there will be a file that's going to pop up here. So this will be the learning activity sheet number 1, and in every learning activity sheets we have an exercises or assessment embedded there. Now all you have to do is answer that one and submit it in the submission link. By the way, in the learning activity sheets here, you could download this one if you have an available resources at your home. You could download this one or print. Now in the submission link, after reading and understanding the learning activity sheets, then you'll have to answer the questions embedded there. Put your answers in a long bond paper and do not forget to indicate your name at the uppermost part of the paper. After that, take a picture of your paper, of your answers in the paper, and submit that picture in our submission link here. Now, reminders. You are only allowed to submit one file in the form of image per submission link. Make sure that the file submitted or the picture you submitted is the correct one, because I I program this so I will not allow you to submit 2 files, 3 files, and so on and so forth. You're only allowed to submit 1 file at a time per submission link. So make sure that the submitted file is the correct one. Am I clear? Okay, so much for that again. Access the learning activity sheets, answer the embedded questions there, and take a picture of your answers and submit it in the submission link below that particular learning activity sheets. Okay, make sure that the submitted file is the correct one because you are only allowed to submit once. Next, Module 1 will start on August 3, Monday on August 3 at exactly 8 a.m. This submission link will start also August 3 by 8 a.m. and will expire. The submission link of all the submission links of Module 1 will expire by Sunday, August 9 by 6 p.m. and Module 2 will start by August 10 by exactly 8 a.m. So again, submission link will expire Sunday, every Sunday by 6 p.m. That is the allotted time. So you have plenty of time to prepare and submit your answers. You could submit it by Monday, the start week 1. If you already have the answers, you could submit it directly. And this submission link again will expire by Sunday, every Sunday. The submission link on that particular week will expire Sunday 6 p.m. And I guess that's all about this, the orientation or familiarization of how the thing's going to work in our course. But then again, I will reiterate that if you do have questions in mind, feel free to ask as long as it is relevant to our topic in the questions and clarifications forum. And by the way, uh, every module has a specific forum for questions and clarifications. For example, for module 1, we have questions going for number 1, which is intended for module 1. If you have questions about week 2, module 2, we also have here a forum for module 2. I guess that's all about the familiarization of the interface of the course. But the most important here is that from time to time you must read the announcement so that you will know what are the changes of the course or what are the important things that I will going to tell you. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much.